Now I got a couple of students, mentors and mentees. They're having a good time. The pedagogical paradigm must provide a wider space or independent for students to explore their potential, talents, and interests. Thus, providing authentic learning experiences is a necessity to achieve this goal. I've just developed project based learning activities for my students. I challenge them to create three different yet related learning outcomes. They can develop syllabi, digital teaching materials, and peer teaching activities.
You enable writing and also in conversation, so you can push your skills in.
To do this, they must be able to go through a series of stages challenging their higher cognitive abilities.
This is a group project and
They realize to achieve this, they cannot do it alone. They must collaborate with their peers. And during the collaboration, they learn to respect others by listening to them and asking for opinions and suggestions.
That is impossible. That means you're really smart.
No, I'm not. No, I'm not. No.
I guess not.
It's just lucky of me.
I mean,
It's just
scholarship,
lucky.
it needs like more reflection.
Yeah, I did the test. I did the test, but then
Because it's got time, right?
it's God's
Yeah,
yes.
yes.